Good morning, nieces and nephews. Yes, it's early in the morning. Welcome to Auntie No's Kitchen. To my new subscribers and to my current subscribers, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yes, I'm going to show you. I'm going to smoke. I had previously marinated a brisket flat. I didn't tell you it was a brisket flat. And so I'm going to smoke it on a charcoal grill. And you don't necessarily have to have a smoker to smoke meat. And when you're doing it on a charcoal grill, it's called indirect. You're using it with indirect. So what I have here, I have a pan of water to make sure that my brisket stays moist. And I have my charcoals on each side. And you want to make sure your temperature maintains between 225 and 250. So I'm going to get my brisket over here, and it's been briming and marinated with all this goodness. So I'm going to put this on here, and after the first 2 hours on here, I'm going to come back every hour and spray it with some apple cider and I'm going to take some, I have a little spray bottle. I got to go make that up. So apple cider vinegar and apple cider I can't get my words go. Apple cider vinegar and apple cider vinegar and apple juice. So I'll be spraying that a little bit on that on here. So I don't need to put anything because my seasonings and all of that is on here. Some people, they line their meat with mustard. I don't do that because I've been briming my meat in my seasonings and herbs, so I don't have to do that. And if you want to see what I did, a previous upload is prepping. It's in my playlist, or it's also on my channel. Period. It's called prepping. I think pork butt and what is this called? Brisket. So I'm going to close this now and get this started. So this is going to take at least 10 hours. Okay, so this is going to be a slow day, so I don't have to stand out here. So like I said, after the first 2 hours, I'll show you guys what I'm working with. Okay, and after that, I won't show anything else until the finished product, and there's going to be a whole new different video because I don't want to tie up my camera. So let me get out of here because I don't have on my mask to protect me from the smoke, so I need to get out of here. Okay, so see you guys in a bit. Oh, one more thing, you're gonna have to add, at some point you're gonna have to add more briquettes, or whatever you want to call them, because that's what I do have to do, because this charcoal is not going to burn for 10 hours. Okay, so you want to make sure, you definitely want to maintain that temperature, and as you can see, my temperature is rising, and so it's going up, so it's going to get to that 225 250 mark. Okay, so and I only use Kingsford. I only use Kingsford charcoal, and I only use Kingsford lighter fluid. If I had wood chips, I would throw them in. I like pecan wood and apple wood. Those are my favorite wood chips to use. I will see you guys in a minute. Make sure your dampers are open. Make sure your dampers are open. Dampers open. Okay, guys, I'm checking in. I'm at like 1 hour and 35 minutes, and this is what old girl is looking like. Okay, so I'm not gonna check back in, but this is just a quick tutorial on how you can use a charcoal grill to smoke your meat. And as you can see, all that dripping, the purpose of the pan with the water in it, is a must have, because that keeps your meat from drying out, and it helps the meat maintain moisture. Okay, so you must have that pan of water in there. Okay, and you see charcoals are still steady hot. Well, temperature is going down now because I've had this thing open. So see, it's amazing how your temperature drops when you open it. It was at 225 and it's dropped down to, you see how it's dropped down to 140 because it's not hot out here today, guys. You know, so the temperature is not it's not summertime. It'll come back up. It's coming up already. So guys, I just want to show you that on how you don't need a smoker. You know, I had a really nice smoker, but it was an electric one, and I had it for like 2 years. Never even opened the box and took it out. Well, I did open the top of the box and I looked at it, and I ended up selling it for what I paid for it on Craigslist because I saw where I got it from and they were still selling it for the same price. So I ended up getting my money back completely. But anyway, so, you know, I had found out how I learned on YouTube how to smoke it indirectly using a grill. And I've been doing that ever since. I've been smoking my meat using a charcoal grill. So, works out great, okay? So, I'm going to cut this because Auntie has got to get some type of nourishment. And when I mean nourishment, I mean my little cup of yogurt. And I'm going to have me some iced oatmeal coffee. You know, I don't like coffee that tastes like coffee. I like it to taste like I'm having a dessert, okay? So, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. Much later, it'll be another upload of my finished brisket. Hugs and kisses, and I hope you have an awesome, awesome, awesome Wednesday, okay? Talk to you later. Bye.